RRB फार्मासिस्ट 21 जुलाई 2019 का पेपर है, जिसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है जबलपुर सिटी इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर नर्मदा. नरोरा न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट इज लोकेटेड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट? यूपी. वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज स्टेट साइट ग्रुप ऑफ मॉन्यूमेंट्स एट हम्पी इज सिचुएटेड इन विच स्टेट? कर्नाटका. On dividing a number by 371 we get 52 at remainder. On dividing the same number by 53 what will be the remainder? Answer 52. Bacterial cell walls are composed of peptidoglycan. Which one of the following is the normal range of diastolic pressure? 70 to 90 mmHg. What is the symbol of elementin? Sn. Identification test for protein is Burette test. Indicate the use of lanolin. Emollient. The synonyms for chlorinated lime is bleaching powder. In the proliposome method, the lipids are dried down to a finely divided particulate support such as powdered sodium chloride. Wilhelmy plate method is used to measure surface tension. What is the other name of vitamin B3 nicotinic acid? The Augusta Masters Trophy is rated into which game or sport? Golf. Impure blood carried by pulmonary artery. Which type of resin blood present in benzoin? Balsamic resin. How many registered pharmacists elected amongst themselves for State Pharmacy Council? 6. Ethylene gas promotes abscission of leaves and fruit ripening both the answers B and C. The half-life of carbon-14 is 5730 years. Who is called the Indian Einstein? Nagarjuna. Fat-soluble vitamin are binding to alpha-2 globulin. The endpoint of redox titration is potentiometric and indicator method. Indicate the gas used for sterilization. Ethylene oxide. Name the schedule in which the factory premises must comply. M. Diosine on hydrolysis gives glucose and rhamnose. State of being free from all the living microorganisms is known as sterile. Sterilization by autoclave is an example for moist heat sterilization. Thioglycolic acid is used in the limit test for iron. What does a negative value of sigma signify for a substituent? It is electron donating. Identify the mechanism of Raman impact. If extraction ratio value is 0, then there is no elimination. Which book uses a 2-letter coding system? Orange. Insulin is composed of total 51 amino acids. In a certain code language, if allo is coded as ODOZR, then how is delay coded in that language? GOBD. Nicotinic is antagonist is Hexamethonium and decamethonium. Both the answers are correct. Which one of the following lymphocytes produce antibodies? B cells. IUPAC name for the structure CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2 chain is butyl. Indicate the region of oral mucosa where the blood flow will be high. Sublingual. Which state topped the medical tally in Khelo India Youth Games 2019? Maharashtra. The Constitution of India mainly stands for a secular state. The basic for the relationship between the voltage generated by an electrochemical cell and the relevant concentration at each electrode is explained by Nernst equation. The ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation. Flame ionization detector is the most common detector for gas chromatography. Tax collected at every state of value addition is either by production or distribution is known as value added tax. Which of the following drug is used to demonstrate the topical action on eye? Lignocaine. What is the SI unit of pressure? Pascal. If in Gildas method, sample containing nitrogen is digested with concentrated H2SO4, sodium fluoride is used to prevent dental caries. Which one of the following is not a kind of major punishment for various type of misconduct? Loss of privilege. 1650 boys and 1100 girls are examined in a test. 42% of the boys and 36% of the girls are passed in the test. The percentage of the total who failed is 60.4. If flowability is expressed as good, then the percentage compressibility is having the value of 12 to 16%. HBl value of sodium lauryl sulfate is 50. What would be the period for completing priority review in NDA? 6 months. Among the following organs, in which the perfusion rate is maximum? Lungs. A train passes a station platform 48 seconds and a man standing on the platform is in 32 seconds. If the speed of the train is 29 meters per second, what is the length of the platform? 464 meters. Identify the salt used for polishing the capsule. Sodium chloride. The process for transferring a charge from a charged object to the earth is called earthing. Indicate the chemical constituent of vitamin D, calciferol. Which among the following is not a dissolved material in domestic sewage? Slit. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. Which dye will give you yellow color? Tetrazine. The objects in motion on ground level poses energy. Kinetic. Who discovered penicillin vaccine? Alexander Fleming. At what time of the day is the relative humidity normal at a minimum? When the air temperature is highest. In this question, relationship between different elements is shown in the statement. This statement is followed by 3 conclusions. Answer the given statement to be true and choose the answer from the given options. Here is the statement: F equal to L is less than A is less than R is greater than E. Conclusion: E is greater than E, F is less than R, L is greater than E. Answer: only second follows. F is less than R. By selling a CPU for rupees 6,095, a man makes a profit of 15%. At what price should he sell it to make a profit of 25% in rupees? 6,625 rupees. Which of the following elements is a diatomic molecule? Chlorine. Lyophilization means freeze dryer. Indicate the example of pneumatic dryers, spray dryers. Which among the following is used for radioactive dating? Carbon. Reduction in chemical reactions is the gain of hydrogen. A woman stands on the road facing south direction. She turns 72 degrees in a clockwise direction and 162 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is she facing now? East. The extent of reproducibility of the result is. Answer is precision. Find the next number in the series: 4, 9, 20, 43, 90, question mark, 185. Which of the following is not a strongly activating orthoparadirections? Answer is OCH3. Which of the following is an autosomal dominant disorder? Polycystic kidney disease. Which one of the following is not a barrier in communication? Pollution. How much a post-tax return or net worth will be fixed by the government while fixing the sale price of bulk drugs? 14%. CFR 211 refers to Code of Federal Regulation 211. When you mean by botanical identity of a medicinal plant: genus, species, subspecies, variety, other, and family. Shift a lambda max towards longer wavelength in UV visible spectroscopy is bathochromic shift. Cells are enclosed by a plasma membrane composed mainly of lipids and proteins. Two bells rings at interval of 86 seconds and 48 seconds. If they both ring at 10 o'clock in the morning together, after how many seconds will they ring together again? 2064 seconds. Ametine and alkaloid of ipecacuanha act as amebicide. The percentage of total calories obtained from carbohydrates should be between 18 to 60%. 1 milligram is equal to 0.001 gram. What is Ayush? Ayurveda. Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. According to veg theory, monovalent soaps give oil/water emulsion. In universal indicators, a pH of 7 is shown with green color. An ideal sunscreening agent should absorb erythromogenic radiations in the range of 290 to 320 nanometer. Indicate the amount of gelling agent used in after-shave gel. Answer is not given. The ratio of a number of girls to boys in a school of 3060 students in 33 ratio 35. How many more girls should be admitted to make the ratio 1:1? Answer is 90. Which of the following drugs is used to demonstrate the mediatric action? Atropine sulfate. Which one among the following has high glycemic index? Syrup foods. Cranial nerves arises from the brain. Cryoscopic method is used to adjust isotonicity. Isomerism caused by a different arrangement of atoms or groups in space is called as stereoisomerism. Choose the corresponding hexadecimal number from the binary number 1011B. What is the diameter of large unilamellar vesicle? Answer of this question is not given. Which one of the following is not a term associated with the therapeutic drug interaction? Oxidation. 100 questions are completed now.